Meaning of domestication.
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 Domestication. Domestication refers to the process of taming wild animals or plants to become accustomed to human control and use. This process typically involves selective breeding and genetic changes over time, resulting in animals or plants that are better suited for human purposes such as food production, transportation, companionship, or decoration. The result of domestication is a fundamental shift in the relationship between humans and the domesticated species, which can lead to significant social and economic impacts on human societies.